Hello, everybody. My name is Jack Brew, and welcome to another episode of Brew Theory. This episode will be similar to the first episode, where I'm just going to be talking directly to you. So, one of the topics I wanted to talk about today was uh, something I heard about recently. It's that for all matter that exists, there's an equal amount of antimatter. And that, when you think about it, that means there is somewhere the exact replica of everything that exists, but an antimatter. So, like a parallel world, something that resembles us, like completely mirrored. That for all matter that exists, there is a direct opposite to it, or direct copy. I I learned about that and I thought that was kind of cool. The other thing that I discovered recently was with the way we uh, with the way telescopes work in deep space, we're watching we're watching for light bouncing back and reflecting back towards us. So something I read was from what we're seeing on these telescopes, if we're looking for life so far out into space, the light isn't at the light that we are seeing isn't at the same time that we are. The light that we are seeing would be set millions of years ago, millions, billions of years ago. So that got me thinking. Well, I also saw this from the comment, the thread I was reading. Some civilization could be looking back at us, back toward this direction towards us for life, but all they would see would be a dead planet or dinosaurs or something. They wouldn't see us right now because of how long light has to take to travel. You wouldn't see real time. That we know that we wouldn't see real time. So, in our attempt to look for life, we're not seeing what could potentially be out there right now. We're seeing what's out there millions of years ago. I thought that was quite interesting. But, uh, moving on to another topic, something of a more personal nature. You know what just really gets to me? Just the ability that I have to get wrapped up in stupid situations. I am in the middle of such a dysfunctional family, and it is wild. Um, I'm currently, let's see, what started first? Well, I had an uncle that cheated on his wife. I then my mom and dad, who are still legally married. My mom started dating another man, and then my dad started dating another woman, and then my sister turned out to be a guy. That one's fun. Um, yeah, it's just a crazy situation that I want to try to escape. Um, I thought that would be fun to share. Uh, it's quite a big thing on my mind. Let's see. Um, but yeah, moving from that, uh, I do like the idea of the second topic I brought up, just that anything we see from these deep space telescopes is so skewed because we're limited by how fast light travels. We don't know what's out there right now. We know what's out there when the lights start coming back towards us. And it's crazy to think about that we have a mapped out version of the known universe, which is constantly expanding. But at the edges of that, there could be so much life right now that we would know about for millions of years. Just crazy to think about. Um, well, one of the recommendations that was made was I keep these episodes relatively short, so in similar fashion to the North Hollywood Shootout episode, I'm going to end it here, keep it short, about 6 minutes. Um, Maybe next time I'll actually do a theory episode. I'm thinking about doing like a Bermuda Triangle episode or something related in that field. Uh, Thank you for watching. This has been Jack Brew, and I will see you in the next episode.